Oh, good question. Mike, what do you look for to determine the market's going to go up, is going to be choppy or trending up or down? I look at my levels. I look at where the key support and resistance levels are, and I determine what the fundamental catalysts are to coincide with those levels. Because when you're trading the SPY or you're looking at just analyzing the overall market or you're looking at futures, it's not enough just for you to sit there and say, this is support and this is resistance, because how do you know the support's going to hold or if the resistance is going to hold or if support's going to break or resistance is going to break and you're going to get trend versus you're going to get consolidation? A lot of it is going to be based on experience. I'll be completely honest with you that a lot of me, because this is what I do with your trading group members all the time. I always come on before the market opens and I tell members, hey guys, I think we're going to, I think the market's going to really drop down to this level today. Or hey guys, I think the market's going to really bounce back and rally to this level today. Or I say, guys, I think today's going to be very, very choppy. Right? I think you're going to have a consolidation day. Markets go through phases of directional momentum and then phases of consolidation. The market doesn't just trade the same every single day. And you have to, what I do is I use a combination of what's the fundamental catalyst and what's the news that can move the markets in either direction. And then what are the major support and resistance levels that coincide with that? And that's how I will try to determine whether or not I think we're getting trend or if we're going to get chop. Also, typically, like a day before a massive event, like the day before a Fed meeting. Usually those days will tend to be a little bit choppier because a lot of people don't necessarily want to take definitive stances and big bets ahead of such a massive catalyst. So those days will tend to be a little bit choppier and have a little bit less direction unless there's another catalyst that goes along with it, right? So it's a combination of fundamental catalysts. That is something you will start to develop more over time with experience. And then I use that to coincide with my support and resistance zones and the patterns that I see to tell me whether or not I think we're going to get direction or not.